How do we basically trade? It is pretty simple. By understanding the price action. The price action consists of two parts. Number one being the candlesticks, and this video will be all about that. So the green and the red bars which you are seeing is called as candlesticks, which indicates whether the prices are going up or down. Understanding the basics of candlesticks. The basic of candlestick contains of two basic parts. The body of a candle and also the wick of candle. As basically there are only two types of candle. The bullish candle, which is the green candle, indicates the prices are going up. Similarly, the red bearish candle indicates that the prices are going down. So basically a green candle opens at point A, goes down till point B, but reverses and goes till point C and finally closes at point D. The open and the close price over here are the body, and the high price and the low price is basically the wick. Similarly, the red bearish candle opens at point A, goes high till point B, reverses and comes down till point C and finally closes at point D, overall indicating that the prices are coming down. Now let's understand the overall momentum of the buyers and the sellers, because more the number of buyers, higher the prices will go up, more the number of sellers, lower the prices will come down, and just by looking at the body and wick you can understand who is in control. The first candle itself, as you can see, this is how the candles are formed in live market. This is a basic bullish candle where either side small wicks are there but the overall body is strong, indicating that the buyers are in control. Similarly, the reversal of this would be the basic bearish candle, which is basically starting on the top, but overall the prices are pushed down and closed at the lower price, basically indicating that the sellers are in control with either side small wicks but the overall bearish big body. And these basic bullish or bearish candle indicates the continuation of their trends. Now coming on to the Marubouzu green candle. This is a very strong candle. The first green candle shows that it has opened lower, but it finally closed on the higher side. As there are no wicks, it includes that the overall buyers are in complete control of this candle. And just similar to the opposite of this candle would be the Marubouzu red candle, in which the prices have opened higher, but it finally closed at the bottom. With no wicks on either side, it shows similarly that it has been controlled by the sellers itself, and they're complete sellers and sellers only in this candle. Now coming on to the basic Doji candle. As this candle goes all the way down but comes all the way up but finally closes at its open price itself, it shows that there is no strength neither in the buyers neither in the sellers. They're all equal, and this is an indecisive candle. So wait for further confirmation ahead. Now coming on to the hammer with green head. The hammer with green head candle basically indicates that it had opened at the top, came all the way down and finally closed above the open price. So the strong wick downside indicates that there is a clear-cut rejection by the buyers on the downside. Similarly to the opposite of that would be the hammer with red head. It is the same as the previous candle that it had opened at the top, came all the way down. The only difference was that it had closed below the opening price. This indicates as well that the buyers are rejecting the price which the sellers are pushing down to. The only difference is the close price. The hanging man candle or the inverted hammer candle, both the green and the red version of this candle indicates the same thing, which is the high rejection at the top. The green candle opens at the bottom, goes all the way to the top and comes down and closes right above the opening price, which shows that the long wick on the upside is the complete rejection by the sellers. Similarly with the red one, it opens at the bottom, goes all the way to the top, and the only difference between the red and the green is that the red closes right below the opening price. This shows also the same thing, that on the top the sellers are more, so there's a complete rejection over there.